अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे PHP fgetc function. The fgetc function in PHP is an inbuilt function which is used to return a single character from an open file. It is used to get the character from a given file pointer. The file to be checked is used as a parameter to the fgetc function, and it returns a string containing a single character from the file which is used as parameter. Syntax fgetc variable file parameters. The fgetc function in PHP accepts only one parameter variable file, or it specifies the file from which character is needed to be extracted. Errors and exceptions. The first one is the function is not optimized for large files, since it reads a single character at a time, and it may take a lot of time to completely read a long time. Second, the buffer must be cleared if the fgetc function is used multiple times. The fgetc function returns boolean false, but many times it happens that it returns a non-boolean value which evaluates to false. Program 1. Example 1. The file name gfg.txt contains the following text. This is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line. PHP escaping opening tag से represent करना है. Multiple comments. File is opened using fopen function. Variable my file is equal to fopen gfg.txt rw prints a single character from the opened file pointer. Echo fgetc variable my file. File is closed using fclose function. Fclose variable my file output t represent किया गया. Second example. The file name gfg.txt contains the following text. This is the first line, this is the second line and the third line. PHP escaping opening tag से represent करना है. File is opened using fopen function. Variable my file fopen gfg.txt rw. Multiple commands print single character at the time until end of file is reached, while fv of variable my file से represent करना है. Echo fgetc put किया गया variable my file. File is closed using fclose function. Fclose variable my file. Output this is the first line, second line, the third line से represent करना है. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.